Welcome to Bueda's world. In the next minute, 28 hours of video will be uploaded on websites like YouTube and Metacafe. 200,000 people will watch streamed videos on sites like Hulu and Fancast, and 90,000 photos will be uploaded on sites such as Facebook, Photobucket, and Flickr. Overall, more than 3 billion photos and 40 million videos are uploaded every month to user-generated content websites. In the case of user John Smith 23, this photo is a unique memory of his latest vacation in Aruba. For Flickr, this photo is only a picture, undistinguishable from many others. For publishers, the lack of ability to understand user-generated content leads to several challenges that include lower advertising revenues and inadequate video and image discovery and recommendation. Why can't they understand? Well, the fact is that current technologies break down when faced with content that lacks textual context. Typically, video and images in user-generated content websites tend to rely on strategies like tagging for indexing purposes. Now, tagging is a big phenomenon, and roughly 110 million people worldwide tag content on a daily basis, a number that has been steadily growing as this becomes a preferred method to organize video and images. And while this is tremendously useful for users to find their own content, tagging creates a set of challenges when it comes to automatic categorization. Users assign the same tags to very different content, and they also assign different tags to the same content. And at the same time, anything can be a tag, which makes it particularly challenging for current solutions to provide publishers with adequate actionable information such as categories, information that will let them connect their images better, target advertising to their videos in a smarter way, and provide their users with an overall better experience. Bueda uses tags as a base to provide clear, unambiguous, actionable information that describes user-generated content in the form of semantic metadata and categories. We take the current noisy, ambiguous tags and we clean, consolidate, and normalize them. We then enrich them with the unambiguous semantic concepts that the tags represent, using federated ontology search, a technology developed over 5 years at Carnegie Mellon University, in the form of a proprietary semantic platform that provides scalable access to a large number of semantic resources in parallel. Finally, we take all this knowledge and generate a set of precise categories that allow publishers to understand where the content fits within their ecosystem, thus providing clear value to publishers as a web service. Bueda has the potential to unlock new opportunities in the field of search, advertising, site optimization, and trend predictions. The benefits could extend from user-generated content, video, and image websites to blogs, bookmarking services, enterprise data, and any content that can be tagged by users. Bueda, because tags are only the beginning.